Hi everyone. Let's talk about pronouns. There are 4 kinds of pronouns. First, subject, object, and then 2 kinds of possessive pronouns. And these are like adjectives. So, the subject and object pronouns always have a verb in the middle. The subject pronouns come before the verb, and the object pronouns come after. For the possessives as adjectives, there is also a verb in the sentence. These always come after the verb. These can come before the verb or after the verb. Okay, so please pause the video. Make sure you write these in your notes. Write all of these in your notes. You can also take a picture with your cell phone, something else like that. But you want to write down I, she, he, it, you, we, they, me, her, him, it, you, us, them, my, her, his, its, your, our, their, mine, hers, his, its, yours, ours, theirs. You'll notice this is in the parentheses. We don't really use it in this way. Okay? So please pause the video. Write this in your notes. Let's look at some example sentences with pronouns. First, remember, these are our subject pronouns. These are our object pronouns. You can see it and you are the same. Okay? Subject you use on this side of the verb. Object you use on this side. So let's take the first example. Antoine drives the car. Antoine changes to he. He drives the car changes to it. He drives it. Then we have the teacher talks to the students. The teacher changes to she. She talks to them. She talks to them. Here you have the students listen to the teacher. The students listen to the teacher. The students changes to they listen to him. They listen to him. Let's try the next example. She gives it to us. She gives it to us. But let's change the verb. Let's change us to we. We get it from, and she changes to her. We get it from her. Let's look at possessive pronouns as adjectives. Possess means to have. So remember from your notes, mine, yours, hers, his, ours, theirs, its. Always go on this side, on the object side of the verb. My, your, her, his, our, their, its. They are kind of special because they go on this side of the verb and they go on this side of the verb. They can go on both sides. So let's look at some examples. Remember, Antoine drives the car. It's a simple sentence. You can change Antoine to he. You can change the car to his car. He has the car. He drives his car. It, the car changes to it. It is his. It is his. The students have their computers. The students have their computers. The students have the computers. Their computers, it's there because students is two or more. Their computers are gray. And you'll see there can be on the subject side. There can also be on the object side. It can do both. The computers are theirs. It changes, but theirs is always on this side. Just like his is always on this side. You'll notice though, his and his are the same. The book has a red cover. The book, its cover is red. Its cover is its. Now, we don't really say that. You can say its cover is red, but we don't really say its cover is its. Let's look at how the pronouns change. Remember, you can use your notes. So, for example, Alex gets a gift from Anna. Alex changes to he. A gift changes to it. Anna changes to her. He gets it from her. He is still he. He has it now. It is his. So he, when it's on the other side of the verb, changes to his. Natalia gives a flower to us. Natalia changes to she. A flower changes to it. And we are us on that side of the verb. We have it. We have it. it or the flower. Remember, it and you stay the same. It is ours. It is ours. Okay, I know this is a lot. Remember, study, study, and always remember, you are smart, and you can do it. Have a good day.